The basics of volleyball.
Good day, everyone. So our assigned topic is all about the sets in volleyball. So to start with, there is a phrase that says, a team is good as their setter. So for us, this means that in volleyball, a setter plays a crucial role in setting up the team's offense. So this also means that a team is only good as their setter, means that the team's performance relies heavily on the setter's skills, decision making, and ability to deliver the sets to the attackers. So first, we should also know what is setting. Setting in volleyball is a second step of passing, and it can be done to either dump the ball over into an undefended spot, or to set the ball into a position that allows the hitter to spike it over. So, a volleyball setter should know hitter's preferences very well, and aim to set the ball into a way that makes it easy for his or her teammates to carry out an attack hit. There is also the basics of setting a volleyball. So, to set, make a triangle with your thumbs and 4 fingers. Your other fingers making a basket shape. So, I will demonstrate it like this one. So this is how you set a ball. Make a triangle.
Types of tempo.
Good day everyone, and good day to you, ma'am. My assigned topic is all about the types of tempo. Tempo is the first and most basic aspect of setting and has to do with the speed of the set. Because of this, it also deals with the height of the set, as both are used due to control and timing and affect each other. So tempo, it refers to how fast the ball is set per the hit. Quick. Tempo has 3 types: the quick, normal, and slow. Quick, it is the fastest set. The setter delivers the ball quickly and slow. The hitter jumps as the setter releases the ball. This tempo surprises the blocker, making it hard for them to defend, and also creates a quick scoring chances. Next is the normal. A moderate speed set. The setter provides a medium height set. The hitter jumps to meet the ball as its peak. This approach balances speed and control, allowing for a strong attack. And the last one is the slow. This involves higher set. The setter takes more time to deliver a higher set. The hitter has more time to prepare for the attack. This tempo allows blockers to more time to position themselves, making it riskier. So understanding the different tempos can help teams create effective offensive strategies. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am the third reporter about the types of set, and my assigned topic is all about positional. So positional types of settings affect both who the ball set to, aka what position on court, on how to. So these types of setting relies equally on techniques and game knowledge to succeed. So by doing this, dapat ang bola nga ug usa na to pag set nagi siya mga different position nga adtuanan. So the first positional or the outside opposite, the first one is the shoot. A ball that travels slightly above the net from the setters to the wings spiker. So dapat ang bola ay nag-set sa player. So dapat dito yun siya makita na to above the net. So shoot a ball that tracks slightly above the net from the setters to the wings spiker. So dapat ang bola makita na to siya sa ibabaw gyud sa net. So ang shoot is, or the go set is, a low-key set delivered to the left front hitter near the antenna. So ang para makakuha na to dapat di ba ang net na yun siya antina so sa kilid so mo siya CB silbi kuan kanang CB kanang linihan nga mahibaw na to nga diha ra taman ang in sa court og dito ang outside sa court. So ang shoot dapat inig-set sa kuan sa player dapat makita gyud dato siya slightly above the net. So ang position sa bola dito gyud ibabaw sa net. The second one is the 4 and go set to the outside wins spiker. The 4 and go is typically refers to the 4-2 offensive system, a common valuable rotation feature to 2 setters position. A high or arcing set delivered to the left side 10 hitter. So it's a common set for the out of system situation or when the team is trying to get the left side hitters involved in the offensive. So sa pag-set dapat ang bola makita nato siya sa outside wins spiker. Man dapit ang outside wins spiker ani mo ni siya ang katong dito sa left. So dapat ang bola makita nato siya inig-set di mo dapat ang bola dito mutugpa ang in position sa bola dapat dito siya mo position sa left side. So ang shoot mo ni siya ang makita nato unsaon pag-set. So sa pag-set nga above makuha siya nga above siya sa net, babaw siya sa net nato makita. So the 4 and go mo ni siya inig-set sa usa ka player dapat mutugpa siya to the left hitters. So or to the person that assigned to the left striker dapat ang bola dito gid mutugpa sa left. So the next one is the red. Red is a set to the opposite wins spiker. So ang red so opposite man siya so dito gid pud na siya ang position sa bola dito siya mo tugpa sa right. So ang 4 and go sa left man siya so ang red dito siya sa right side. So red also called the second step. The next one is the 2. 2 is the set in the middle of the court that draws a win spiker inside to hit. So ang 2 makita na siya ang position sa 2 dito gyud siya sa middle. Lagi siya sa tunga nato makita inig-set sa player dapat makita nato ang bola naka-position siya sa tunga. Inig makita nato na siya muna siya ginatawag og 2. It's a high set to the middle front attacker aiming for a quick attack near the middle of the net. So kung magamit ta ani ang position niya kay nandiyo siya sa tunga nato iset ang bulal para inig spikes sa imong kauban nga spiker. So makabalo siya nga diri dapat nato i-spike ang usa ka ball. Lagi siya sa like what I said ang 2 kay lagi siya sa middle of the net makita. So ayang position. So the next one is the high ball. High ball is a very high to the position on the court. So high ball is kanang siyang taas imuhang pag-set sa bola. Kanang habog gyud siya. So ang position sa bola na kay habog gyud siya kanang habog pa sa net. So high ball is a setting techniques where the ball is placed high above the net, allowing the hitter ample to approach, jump, and execute a powerful spike. So the number 6 is inside ball, set more inside the court than normal and draws the spiker toward the center. So position ani is a set where the ball is positioned close to the middle of the court, typically target and the middle hitter. So ang yung position ay lagi siya sa tunga. So makita nato siya as a player kabalo kita nga so ang gigamit nila kay inside ball. So ang purpose ana kay sa tunga. So ang yung position lagi siya sa tunga. The last one is the outside ball. Outside ball is set more outside the court than normal and pushes the spiker outward. So ang plaster sa outside ball kay a ball set to the player position on the left front side of the court, often known as the outside hitter or the left side hitter. So ang yung position ani is inig position ani na, ang iyang position sa pag-set ani na siya sa left side. So ang tawag ani kung ang position, ang tawag ani is the outside heater or the left side heater. So that's all for my report, and thank you.